Welcome to the ITS channel. You're about to learn a few tricks to make your documents more accessible. Accessible documents actually make it easier for screen readers to access information and easily relay it to users. Let's save our document first, and then we'll get into some of the basics of accessibility. Structuring your content appropriately is all done through the Style menu that we're about to select from. Consider Heading 1 like a parent topic. Any information that goes underneath Heading 1 will be considered normal or paragraph, and that's just directly to the left of Heading 1 in the Style menu. Now, Heading 2 would be a subtopic within the larger topic of Heading 1. Now again, this just further breaks down the information and again helps users reference back to anything that they may need. Screen readers can't really tell the difference between different content unless you actually do use heading levels to distinguish the different sections and topics. And the same thing applies from heading level 1 that we used. Any content that goes underneath heading 2 will be normal or paragraph. And that's just the regular body copy. Now let's insert a picture. Presumably, this picture will help to enhance or illustrate the understanding of a topic or process. In order to be AODA compliant, all images need alternate text behind them, and I'll show you how to do this. Since images can't be read or interpreted by screen readers, alternate text provides users with context around why the image is there or what it explains. So we'll save our document as a PDF file and then open it up in Adobe Acrobat Pro to edit it further. So the document opens up automatically, or at least it should. You'll want to navigate down to Accessibility. And you'll notice that there are two kinds of reports that you can run to check the accessibility of a document. A quick check will not always show you everything, so it's best to run the full check. Leave all the boxes checked as you want to make sure that you get everything. So the report is telling us that there are errors as expected. So we'll click OK to generate the report. And then this will show on the left-hand side. Now it's telling us that there's no alternate text behind the image. So we're going to go back to our image, click on it to select it, right-click, and then scroll down to Properties. You'll want to click on the Tag tab, and this is where we're going to fill in some context for the image. Leave the type as figure. The drop-down gives a series of different categories. Now the title will be Jellyfish. And the alternate text will explain why the image is important. Once we're done with all the details, we'll click Close. And then we'll run our full check again just to make sure we address the error. And as you can see, there are no longer any errors and our document is accessible. Always remember your full checks, alternate text, your heading levels, your tags, your type, titles, and paragraph styles will make your documents much more accessible to users with visual or cognitive impairments. Thanks for tuning into the ITS channel and learning more about AODA compliance.